Let's see how to use animated mouse control particle and text overlay effects. Using mouse, click Load Particle preset and click on Preview window where you want particle at same position particle animation overlay on output. In Ready Particle preset, you can see confetti, graphics, bubble, Facebook reaction, currency, flower, heart, different type of ready overlay. Same way there is animated text preset in that text is changeable and multi-language supported. To change text, load preset and change text in URL and reload preset. For in transition, click on preview, text will appear with animation. For out transition, again click on preview. Web source is also useful for sport event to show animated text and also third-party website app score. Same way animated text are also useful for satsang katha, any religious event. For web news channel or cable TV playout, you can overlay automated news with easy to change text from link text file. You can also overlay dual line lower third with changeable position text and color. Stremax is best software for multi-stream to 3 platform any live source with logo, title, scroll, ticker, cricket score and live animated particle and text effect.